Inspector General of Government Betty Kamya ngesi abalebe erae pelulo itunga ai ngara kina pugan arauna ngichaka pugan kanuale mare chamsana kwapuo keja ngunoda abala ebe akwapina chia golo kisi prisons cage nara eri chitosi tunga ekisil.
The day before yesterday, I met all the accounting officers of votes in the country, the PSs, the heads of government institutions, and the accounting officers who are not PSs, and the head of public service. I don't know whether you saw them in the news or whatever. And we met and I told them, corruption in this room where we have met, if we decide to end corruption today, it will end. Because all the money that we collect is given to accounting officers to look after. So corruption, the money which is lost, is stolen from accounting officers. Or is stolen from accounting officers or lost within the system. So we want you to be very, very, very vigilant. And we are going out there to talk to the public also, to tell them to be get involved, be very watchful, so that corruption does not hurt us so much.
Inspector General of Government Betty Kamya ngesi abalebe erae pelulo itunga ai ngara kina pugan arauna ngichaka pugan kanuale mare chamsana kwapuo keja ngunoda abala ebe akwapina chia golo kisi prisons cage nara eri chitosi tunga ekisil.
The Netherlands closed 19 prisons recently because there are no more people committed to jail. Because in Europe, everybody is their brother's keeper. Everybody is a state spy. You don't do something wrong, your neighbor will call the police and report you. And they will even tell you, I'm going to report you. You see them in films. They say, if you don't report yourself, I won't report you. And that's how they have managed to raise their societies to a level which is almost corruption-free.
Betty achani Apolokinitok na kironu walupo ko district alo Amuria ngesi abalebe ekoto apuga na ijaikine ya PSK isiregine luai tolota somsine cage ejo.
Facilitation of the district land board. Yes, we have a functional land board, but that land board sits once in a quarter.
The land board?
Yes, because of the limited facilitation that comes to the district. So it makes the land board sit once in a quarter, and people keep calling me, harassing me. I brought my application 2 months ago. How comes you're not able to produce my what? So yet I'm waiting for the board, for the next quarter's recess for the board to sit. Then secondly, the functionality of the area land committees. You know, these are committees that fill the district land board. But these committees are not trained. For these committees to work, we need to facilitate them to the ground. The law talks of something else, that the facilitation of this committee should come from the district fund. But when I brought this request to the planning, to the budget allocation, so that I'm given some budget so that we plan for activities, I'm told that, you know, the funding that comes to the district, the envelope is so limited. So we are left with making you, the applicant, who is interested, facilitate the committee. And that, to a common person, can be misunderstood.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, ko district alo Amuria.